Assalamu alaikum students, this is Hadika Batul and today we are going to discuss about measuring instruments, lecture number 1. Some main measuring instruments are meter rule, vernier caliper, screw gauge, physical balance, stopwatch and measuring cylinder. But in this video, we will discuss about meter rule. So let's start our video. What is meter rule? A meter rule, also known as a meter stick, is a common measuring instrument used to measure lengths and distance. It is typically 1 meter long, 100 centimeters or 1000 millimeters, and is made of material like wood, plastic, or metal. The meter rule is marked with a scale to indicate measurements in centimeters and millimeters, making it a simple yet effective tool for a variety of tasks. The meter rule is versatile and used in various fields, like it is used in education. It's commonly used in schools for teaching measurement concepts in subjects like mathematics and science. Meter rule also used in constructions and dye. Builders and hobbyists use meter rule to measure materials like spaces accurately. It is also used in crafts and arts. Artists and crafters use meter rule to measure paper, fabric, and other materials accurately. So guys, if you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.